Hello students, in today's lecture, we will understand pointer arithmetic in C. Arithmetic operation possible on pointer are increment, decrement, addition, subtraction, and comparison. First one is incrementing pointer. If we increment a pointer by 1, the pointer will start pointing to the immediate next location. The rule to increment the pointer: new address equal to current address plus I into size of data type, where I is the number by which the pointer get increased. For example, for 32-bit int variable, increment will be by 2 bytes. Suppose we have a number variable which contain value 20 and address of number variable is 65524. We have an integer pointer variable p which hold the address of variable number which is 65524 and address of p is 2000. Now, if we increment a pointer variable p by 1, we get 65524 plus 1 into 2, where 1 is the number to increment and 2 is the size of data type, which the pointer is pointing, which is int. So we get 65526, which is the next memory location where P will point. Now, with the help of program, we will implement the concept. In the main function, we have declared an integer variable number, which is initialized with 50. Now, we have declared an integer pointer variable, which can hold the address of integer variable only. Now, p equal to ampersand number. So, p is assigned address of number variable. Now, printf statement print address of p variable is 65524. We have used %u format specifier to print address. Now, p equal to p plus 1, which means p will hold 65524 plus 1 into 2, that is 65526. And printf statement print after incrementing address of p variable is 65526. And our program ends here. Here is the output. Address of p variable is 65524. After increment, address of p variable is 65526. So we end our lecture today. Thank you.